Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I'll explain one more example of this keyword. This keyword, it is called as an object reference or reference variable because it refers an object. It always refers current object. It is implicitly present in instance method, in a constructor, in initialization block. It is explicitly required to access an instance variable whenever both instance variable and local variable names are same. I'll explain example. Integer x equal to 10. It is instance variable. Void show. It is instance method. I'm creating object demo d1 equal to new demo. I'm creating one more object demo d2 equal to new demo. Instance variable, there are two ways to access. One is by using object, one more by using object reference. Same. Instance method, there are two ways to access. One is by using object and one more by using object reference. Here d1 dot x equal to d1 dot x plus 2. I modified x value with d1. Here d1 dot show, d1 dot d2 dot show. Here system dot out dot println x. It is instance method. This keyword implicitly present in instance method. I given that point. So here implicitly this dot x. If I run this program, what will happen? See, demo class loaded, open brace executed, main method called, open brace executed, object created, then memory allocated to instance variable x, that object referred by d1. One more object created, one more time memory allocated to x, that object referred by d2. In this program, we created two objects, then two copies of x created. d1 dot x equal to d1 dot x plus 2. In a first object, x value modified. d1 dot show. Then control comes here. System dot out dot println x. That means implicitly this dot x. Now it refers d1 referred object. Then output comes 12. After that d2 dot show. Again control comes here. System dot out dot println x. Implicitly this dot x. Now it refers d2 referred object. Then output comes 10. I'll save this program. I'll compile javac demo.java. Program successfully compiled. Java demo successfully executed. So we got output 12, 10. Same program I'll explain diagrammatically. See, first object created, then memory allocated to x. In that x, 10 will be stored. This object is called demo object. This object referred by D1. D1 contains hash code of this object. One more object created. One more X memory allocated. Here 10 will be stored. This object, demo object. This object referred by D2. D2 contains this object hash code. Now, d1.x equal to d1.x plus 2. d1.x equal to d1.x plus 2. It is modified as 12. It is modified as 12. D1 dot show control comes here. Here implicitly this dot x. This refers current object. So now it refers this object. Here implicitly this dot x. This implicitly present. This keyword implicitly present in instance method, in constructor and initialization block. D1 dot show, then this keyword refers this object. D2 dot show, then this keyword refers this object. This link automatically broken, new link created, then 10 printed. Say D1 refers this object, D2 refers this object, this keyword refers current object. If the method is called with D1, then current object is this one. If this method is called with D2, then current object is this one. Like that this keyword works. Okay. For getting more information, you visit my blog Java by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com. This is my blog. For getting more information, you can visit my blog.